What's your name? I'm Paul. Oh, hi. Mahubo. Paul, nice to meet you, Paul. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from Huddersfield. You look Somali. Oh, I look like Somali. Well, I get that a lot. We're neighbors, so maybe that's why. Where are you from? Born, raised here all my life. I've been here. Oh, you're native LA. That's nice. Native Californians are the best. They say Californian boys are intriguing. I'm intrigued. My ex was born and raised here, so, and he was really a fun guy. Do you happen to have a boyfriend? You're such an attractive girl. Oh, I'm not ready to date. I don't have time for dating. I just started my new business and I just want to focus on being successful. So I don't really have time for it. Would you like to have drinks with me? Well, I will accept, but sadly I don't drink. Why not? Because I don't want anybody taking advantage of me. I'm so safe. I'm not going to do anything to you. Come on now, please. Don't make a grown man cry. I'm just kidding. No, I don't drink because of my religion. I'm Muslim. I don't drink, I don't have sex, and I don't eat pork, and I don't gamble. So, yeah. Well, you are such a beautiful, charming virgin girl. I will want to get to know you. Well, life's easier that way. Well, you are such a beautiful, charming virgin girl. I'm glad I never had it because it's so much easier to be a virgin. Why are we talking about my virginity again? We're here to learn. I will want to get to know you. Oh, I'm not ready to date. I don't have time for it. Why not? We're here to learn. We made tons of money for this seminar, so let's focus. Sure. I'm sorry, I'm really like intrigued. I want to get to know you so bad. You're such a beautiful, charming woman. You have a lot of things a lot of other women don't have, and I'm like, gotta get to know her, you know. Sorry if I'm coming off too strong though. Huh? I know, of course. I'll give you my business card and I'll see what I can do. Okay. Yeah, please give me your business card. We can talk anytime. Such a beautiful girl. I can. Well, life's easier that way. You come here a lot? It's my first time. Yeah, I'm newbie. Oh, you're new to LA. Yeah, I just moved here. Did you moved here? Like beginning of last year. I love it. I always say LA is my soulmate, so I'm not going anywhere. LA and I belong together. LA is my soulmate, so I can't abandon my soulmate. I say that about a guy? I mean, LA is your soulmate. Would you ever feel like you will say that about a guy? I don't know if I'll ever say that about a man. Maybe after I have sex, right? Hey, break for me, because I need to focus. Alright, thank you. take this to Mama. Mama. My mom would love to meet this one. Such a beautiful woman. Beautiful. I can take this to Mama. Mama. My mom would love to. Such a beautiful woman. Beautiful. She's a beautiful woman. I can't help it.